I've added some fun new features into LojaJS open source JavaScript library, and I will show you them. So if we draw a shape with 4 sides, 30 wide, we can scale it, and we can use the mouse distance ratio variable to actually interact with that and control the scale of it live. If we use the grid function to create a 10 by 10 grid, 50 units apart, we can use that to map all those squares onto a grid. Then still use the MDR function in the scale or a color to make something nice visually and interactive. We can chuck a noise on top of that, which then creates something a little bit weirder. Now, today I wanted to show you the mask function. So this, at draw time, it will not draw anything of that shape outside the mask. So here, it's actually masking those squares within a circle on every single one of them. And then if you want to actually mask the whole lot, we can put it all in a group and then use the mask function to mask that whole group. So playing around with the size of that crop, you'll see it masks a different amount of the shapes. So I've also got the crop command, which is new, which actually deletes vertexes outside of the crop shape. So here you can see it's actually deleting the corners of the square, so you get triangles or lines or nothing. And we can also use that same principle after the grid command, which will delete vertices on that grid. So now you can see we're still getting the whole shapes, but a limited subset of those grid points. So that means you can go a bit wild and do some really visually creative things. And then you can hit the export button where you can actually copy and paste the code into your own website. Couldn't be simpler.